Welcome to your virtual tour of 211 Trent Acres Drive, located just outside of New Bern. This beautiful new construction home truly thought of everything when designing the layout. As you can see, it offers a very open floor plan with tons of natural light. As we continue on going through the home, notice the beautiful finishes and fixtures that the builder chose to really take this home to another level. The spacious kitchen overlooking the living room offers a gas range with matching appliances throughout, a tile backsplash, granite countertops, and custom soft close cabinetry. In this home, you'll find that there is no lack of storage with a spacious pantry right off the kitchen. And that door also leads out to the garage. And then there's an additional closet as well. Now let's take a look at the spacious master bedroom that's tucked away behind the living room. Tons of natural light, and there is access to the beautiful porch, giving access to the large backyard. The master suite also features a large walk-in closet, as you can see, they're very high ceilings. The master ensuite offers dual vanity sinks and a stunningly tiled master shower. One of our favorite additions to this home is that the laundry room hookup access is actually through the master bathroom, making it very convenient. You'll find that the guest bedrooms are equally as spacious and offer a very beautiful updated guest bath. All right, now let's head upstairs to take a look at the spacious bonus room that also has access to a full bath as well as plenty of attic storage. Back downstairs, right off the living room, we have a beautiful glass sliding door that leads out to the covered back deck with views of the expansive private backyard. It's nice that this is a nice covered deck, perfect for sitting out here on rainy days or sunny days. Again, just a huge fenced-in backyard with tons of privacy. And remember, you do have access to this deck from your master suite as well. And there is also direct gas hookup lines, making it easy to grill out on summer nights. And that wraps up our virtual tour of 211 Trent Acres Drive. We hope you enjoyed watching. Thanks.